My name is Nora Akusia Owusu-Abuat. The name of my school is Child Bilingual Institute. The reason why I love programming is that my school teaches it. The name of my project is Aurora Application. Some of the things my project can do is ask the user about what he or she, about how he or she is feeling, and entertain the user with riddles. The reason why I made this project is that I want to make every patient or any user who is using this application happy. And last but not the least, some of the extensions used in this project. Text-to-speech application, text-to-speech extension, and artificial intelligence. Now, I want to demonstrate my project.
Hi, I'm Aura. How do you feel today?
If you are feeling well, you write well.
Keep it up.
And you can tap your sprite.
Do you want to play a game of riddles?
If yes, then
I am a Rastafarian with one leg.
And if your answer is wrong, don't worry, to teach you the answer. So my answer is more.
Correct. I hope we meet again. Bye.
Now I want to talk about my code. I used one sprite for this code. So the code will run by starting saying her name, Aurora. Then after, ask how you are feeling. If you are feeling well, it will comment you by saying keep it up. Then if you are not fine, it will tell you wear your nose mask and wash your hands frequently. Or if it gets worse, call 911 or consult your doctor. So when you click the sprite, it's going to ask if you want to play a game. And if you say yes, it's going to ask you a riddle. So if you get the riddle correct, it will tell you correct. But if you get it wrong, to tell you that you are wrong, then it will tell you the answer. So after that, it will ask you that we will meet again. And that is what my code is about. And my program is going to help patients become happy. And I hope all of you think of my code very well. Thank you.